Welcome everyone, a quick tutorial on how to downgrade iOS 14.7.1 back to 14.7. So I'm already on software version 14.7 because I already did the downgrade tutorial. However, I'm going to show you the full process. This will be a very quick guide. If you want to see my full in-depth tutorial, which covers every single step, shows that I was on 14.7.1 and then after I'm on 14.7, just check that tutorial in the description. But if you're more of an advanced user, this should be a very simple tutorial to follow. So first of all, you will need access to a computer, Windows or Mac. If you don't have access to one, get one, very quickly. Just figure out a way, borrow one from a friend, family member, go to a store with display computers. I don't know what you have to do, but this tutorial will not last longer than a week, so figure it out quickly because the jailbreak's coming and it does not support 14.7.1. You'll be waiting until November, December if you do not downgrade. So what I want you to do, there are two links you need. So first of all, if you are a Windows user, you just want to go to apple.com/iTunes and download iTunes onto your device. Next, I want you to go to the next link in the description. Both links will bring you to my link shortener. It just helps me earn a bit more money. If you can't navigate to the link shortener, just go to links you see on screen. Once we're on page 2, this is the IPSW downloads. Just click on your device. So I have iPhone 6S. So just find iPhone 6S. If you have the option between global and GSM, GSM is US, global is any other country. If you don't have the option, just click on the device. And you see sign IPSWs. If you see 14.7 is signed, you can follow this tutorial. If it's in the unsigned area, you will not be able to follow this tutorial. The reason why Apple does a server check to check if the firmware is signed, this isn't a local thing. If you download this firmware while it's signed and then downgrade when Apple changes their servers, it doesn't matter, you're not going to be able to downgrade, so just do this very quickly. Click on the firmware if it's signed, then click on download this to your computer. Next, if you're on the Windows computer, load up iTunes or load up the Find Your application if you're on Mac OS. I also want you to make sure your device is plugged into the computer, so my iPhone is plugged in. Then click on your device and then you should see check for update. So Windows, you're going to shift, left click, check for update. On Mac OS, you're going to hold down option, left click, check for update. And when you do this, you'll have the option to select that firmware file you downloaded earlier. You select that firmware file, so this was the one right here that I downloaded, open, and then you should have the option to downgrade. It will say update, but it does downgrade. When you downgrade your firmware, it's not going to output that. And then just click on update, and then the process will begin. Just leave your device plugged in, and everything should work without any issues. Again, if you have any issues, I do have that larger tutorial which covers everything. That will be in the description. Just wanted to make this quick guide for more experienced users. If this video helped you out, if it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.